To use one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy A05, first we'll need to open our settings. Then scroll down and look for advanced features. Inside we'll be able to find one-handed mode and make sure it's activated. Then we can press on it like that to access a settings. So there's option to use a gesture, and it allows you to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen to enter one-handed mode, or we can use the button. And if you use the button, double tap the home button to call out the one-handed mode. So how it works with the gesture is you need to swipe down from the bottom right here. And as you can see, our one-handed mode is activated, and then we can manage the size of the window, and we can easily call out our notification bar. Now to bring it back, all you have to do is double tap on it like that, and then we can move to the button. Just to show you, if we double press our home button, it does the same thing, and here's our one-handed mode activated.